This time I am not gonna have a lot of twisties, but this is just like it is. So riding a motorcycle, it is quite a lot also straight.
Come here. Eat all.
And the owner has a Beetle and a Porsche. The storm is coming and I have to finish it here. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another episode of my trip to Romania. I am leaving Brasov. In fact, I am already some 10 kilometers out of Brasov, heading to Sibiu and then to Sebeș and finally to Deva. So Deva, it's gonna be today's final destination. I will overnight there. And it is just almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I had a great time in Brasov. It was my first time here in Brasov. I am very happy that I visited Brasov, guys. It is a nice and very let's say interesting city to visit in Romania. I think that it's a must. Sibiu, Brasov, and also Bucharest. Bucharest, it's a capital city, and it's very crowded, but still, if you are in the area, then why not? These three cities are really nice to see and to experience also. So I stayed in Brasov for 4 nights. And I am glad that I did. I had enough time to go sightseeing. For those of you who are interested in Brasov, please check my video about sites in Brasov. I think that you're gonna have fun. So the video, it's up here. Check it, guys. This time I am not gonna have a lot of twisties, but this is just like it is. So riding a motorcycle, it is quite a lot also straight, guys, you know it. And let's enjoy the road. Four exhausts. This one has the power for sure. You see the nest there, guys? So this is quite very often. You can see it almost in every second Romanian town. So okay, here we have the proof that the nest is active, I would say. Fagaraș, guys. Transfagarașan. So I am very close to the Transylvania road that I already covered, and it was really a nice experience. I recommend for any rider. Just take care, and maybe it is appropriate to have a bit of experience, but otherwise no fear, guys, no fear. It is a very nice road, and you have a lot on the road to see, and with some stunning views, and among really wild forests, you know. So you can become friends with bears there. So nice, very nice one. Here I will go to the gas station because I need some fuel. $76 lays, guys, and 11 liters 17. So great, just great. I'm gonna go and pay now. Look at the church, guys. It shines, it shines. This is a golden one. The top and the cross. It looks amazing. Probably completely renovated, I think. So this is Fagarash. It is not a huge town, but it is probably well worth visiting it when you are going to the Transylvania pass. I mean riding the road, so you can stop here. They are riding together, guys, and they are from Poland. They were probably on the Transylvania and or Transylvania, and they are heading the same way like me, so to Sibiu or even Sebeș, and then ahead. Some people are so nice, and they are waving to the motorcyclists, and this is a nice gesture. Motorcyclists, we guys, oh man, look at this one. It is a kind of a silver one, I have to say. We are good guests, good tourists, I believe, so we don't want something luxury. We just seek for let's say fair accommodation, to have breakfast, to have a normal bed, and to rest, to sleep. Really, motorcyclists are, in my opinion, very good tourists, and they bring money, so we should respect them, we should respect ourselves, and people will respect us also. There was a car crash, guys. I saw that the truck was without the cabin, so probably it was bad. I hope for the driver and all others that were involved that are okay, even though here I can see there is no coffee, nothing. I just have to do a little break, and I'm gonna do it right now, right here.
Eat, yeah. Eat it, yeah. Good boy. Yeah, no, don't worry. Come here, boy. Come here. Eat all.
Yeah, eat all, boy. Eat all. This is the least that I can give you. Eat all, boy. Poor dog, guys. I am almost in Deva, and right now I have to find my accommodation. I booked Casa Mora. This is a kind of a pension, and I believe that it's gonna be a very good one. At least it is very nice looking on the photos, and that's why I think that it's gonna be just fine. So this is the highway that leads to Lugoj, and I am on my way to Deva, to the center of the town. Later I will go and explore a bit the town, but firstly I have to unpack everything and relax a bit. Deva, it's not a big town. It has around 54,000 inhabitants, and it is mostly known, I just read all of this, it is mostly known because of the fortress that it's just in the town, I mean on a hill and looking to the town. So we will probably see it from the town, but unfortunately I am not going there because it is under construction, and I will have the opportunity to explore some other sites more, because this one I'm gonna skip. Very nice in my opinion, and the owner has a Beetle and a Porsche. Wonderful. This is my room, guys. Very nice. 50 euro including breakfast, and with a safe parking place. This is the bathroom, guys. I couldn't be happier, really. I have to say that I saw the owner, and in fact it is she. So she owns that very nice Beetle and that Porsche there. So I was a bit surprised, but it is just like I said, guys. The so-called fortress, guys, up there. So and there is the cable line going there, but it is under renovation. So unfortunately I cannot go there. Deva, the name of the town, it's derived probably from the Dutchan language, and it means fortress, but this is just one of the theory. In fact, this town, it's also a well-known town in Romania and worldwide because of gymnastics and Nadia Comaneci. So here is the alley of gymnasts. So guys, this is the alley of gymnasts, and as you can see on the left there is Nadia Comaneci. It's covered, but the site it's under construction, so we cannot do anything about it. But Deva it's also famous because of gymnastics. All from Deva. The storm is coming, and I have to finish it here. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and tomorrow I'll be heading to Serbia, Zrenjanin. See you in the next one. Thanks. I am in Timisoara, guys. This is also a very important city in Romania. He is a lot into motorcycles, and he said that he is gonna subscribe to my channel. Great. This is just a small border crossing, and I hope that everything is gonna be fine.